Oh! On the head, dude.
Randy has his trusty long range gun, the Hatsan BT65, with his own custom stock on there. I'm sure you guys have seen this before, but it's a beaut. It is a beaut, and that sucker's accurate and quiet. I call it the click smacker because you hear it click, then you hear it smack. When you hit something. The target is the smack. There you go, baby.
Got his ass. Oh!
How's that, brother?
Oh man, he's still laying there.
Oh, he's dead. He's dead.
Killer shot right there.
Dude, he's just laying there.
That's 3.5 mil dots.
Good job, bullpup Hatsan right there. Hold that thing up. That is nice. That was about a little over 90. We're not really sure. What about 90, 95?
It was in that area, that ballpark, yeah.
Good job. Oh! Paralyzed him, man.
Right in the...
This is gonna be gruesome. This is gonna be gruesome. Oh no, there he goes.
There he went. Rolled on down.
There he goes.
There's another one.
Good job, Chief. Alright, this is your third shot.
There's the blood where he was sitting. He was sitting right here. And rolled the blood trail all the way down, right down to where he's laying.
There he is. That was a neck shot, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What'd you do? I can't remember the video now. I have to go look at the video.
Yeah, I think it was actually blood. Got his blood there. Actually, no. This one was a shoulder shot.
This is a shoulder shot? We'll look at it here.
Yeah,
oh yeah,
right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, his neck, right on the neck. Yeah.
Below the neck.
Look at that. I killed him so fast, he didn't even have time to turn loose the nut.
Oh man, he got a nut in his mouth.
That was a neck shot.
Hatsan BT65.
Can't beat it.
That sucker's, he's got this sucker so dialed in, it's hard to miss. Good job, good job. We got a close-up one here. I can zoom in on him pretty good.
Oh! I was trying to go through my head what was taking so long. I was trying to figure out what mil dot to use because I don't shoot.
Oh, he's flipping. His tail went like a hurricane out there.
That's good. That's
good. Look. Oh, look at him. He's still flipping. See his tail?
Yeah, that should have been a good headshot.
There he is.
Dang, he didn't even get off the rock.
He's pretty big, man. Hatsan BT65.
Right in the side of the head.
Oh, he's sleeping peacefully now. What do you think about that?
Heck yeah.
Killer? Look at that.
That's what we're here for.
Right. Good job, man. Now it's about time for dinner, eh, brother?
It is time. Let's do it.
Signing out from this massive farm in Oregon.